Welcome back to Uttarashrini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Are you tired of using the same spread for your chips, vegetables, and sandwiches? Well, we have the perfect recipe for you. The bean we're using has a really cool name. It's called the Great Northern Bean. Now, this white bean is very popular throughout North America. So today, with this northern bean, we're going to be making a spread that tastes similar to hummus. Great Northern Bean. Avocado oil. You can substitute avocado oil with olive oil. Lime juice. Roasted garlic powder. Watch our suggested video that pops up. Salt. Onion powder. Cumin powder. Red chili flakes. Cilantro. Soak bean overnight in enough cold water. Drain bean and cook until soft. Drain cooked bean and allow it to cool completely. Add cooked Great Northern Bean to a food processor. Add onion powder, garlic powder, cumin powder, salt, cilantro, red chili flakes, lime juice. Grind on low speed for 3 minutes. Add in avocado oil and pulse on high speed for 2 minutes or until everything blends well and becomes creamy. Creamy bean spread with perfect seasoning is ready. Transfer to a serving bowl. Garnish with avocado oil. Chopped cilantro. Paprika powder and cumin powder. Enjoy this spread with pita chips and vegetables. Stay connected with us to find how we are serving this Great Northern Bean spread. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye bye.